How to turn on camera access for Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your App Store or Play Store, depending on what device you have, and make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. Now, the next thing that you want to do is if you want to turn on your camera access on Snapchat, for example, it is currently turned off. Now, if you click on your Snapchat here, basically you will have to see your camera directly here. But as you can see, there's a pop out message here that says Snapchat is a camera app. So to continue, you'll need to allow your camera access in settings. Now to turn on your camera access on Snapchat, click on open settings here and you will be led here to your Snapchat icon here, your Snapchat application, basically your information or the access that you have on Snapchat. So as you can see, my camera here is currently toggled off. That means I didn't allow Snapchat to have an access to my camera. So if you want to turn that on, just have to click on that until it's toggled on. Now, if you go back here to your Snapchat, you will see that you have now an access to your camera. And basically that is it. And that is how you turn on camera access for Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support.